In this video, I am going to show you how to add customer reviews to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is my Wix website and today I am going to add customer reviews to it. So to add customer reviews to your Wix website, open your Wix website editor. Now from the left menu, click on Add section. Select testimonials from here. And here you will see 5 different types of testimonial templates. You can use any of these templates on your website. I want to use this template to my website, so I am going to hold it, drag and drop it to my website. As you can see that customer reviews are now added to my website. You can customize each and every bit of these reviews. Like you can change this image, you can change this title and this text very easily. You can also add new elements to the testimonials. Like if you want to add images to the testimonials, just click on add elements, select images from here, select the image and then you can add it to your website. So this is how you can add customer reviews to your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.